So changing maps is actually very easy. What you'll do is go to the first screen that you'll see when it boots up. In this case, it's gauges. Press the down button till you get to tune. The center button here is enter, basically. So press enter. It gives you the option to change the map. Change that by pressing the center button again. You'll say make sure your ignition is to on. You select reflash, that center button again. You have a couple different options. So in this case, we're gonna go to 2007 Alex fixed. Press the center button. It's gonna give you a message about that. So press OK, the center button. And then once you press that, it's gonna flash. In this case, it was one little change, so it's already done. It gives you a further instruction. It says turn off and leave the ignition in the off position. You have to continue to press enter. It'll give you some status as it's clearing codes. It says turn to on. Press the center button. It's finishing its reset. And it says turn it off for at least 15 seconds before starting. You can press OK again. What I have found with Subarus is that before you go to start it, the only other thing you'll want to do is actually turn the ignition to the on position, like this, with the engine off but key on. Let it sit for 10 or 15 seconds. Hopefully you don't have an annoying boost gauge like that. Then you start the car, everything's normal. On your car, you are going to have a green connector under the dash, under this section over here, about where my finger's pointing. You can feel for it. It has two ends with one click on it. If you move the seat back and kind of lay on your back and look up there, you'll see the green connector. It's the only one there. So you have to connect that before you do this process. That's the only difference for your car versus the one that I'm sitting in. Hopefully that's helpful. Talk to you later.